It's your boy Taylor. I'm down here at the shop, as you can see. Just me and myself, late night down here. I think it's like, what, 9 o'clock. Got that covered up, got the SSR covered. Tonight I am trying to knock out these fenders. Fender, Uno, and this bumper. So, just trying to get those knocked out real quick. And also, I just made up a color for the Chevy parts. This is just gonna be a quick little video. Bam, Chevy parts. So, like I was saying, quick little video. I just kind of want to show you guys what I had going on this one. Just a little filler video. See if you guys like it or not. So I'm back here. We're making a 9539 GM color. It's green metallic. This one is a D variant, darker than standard. I've got the color made. It is here. Bam. So I just need to pull it off, lit it, and we're gonna go ahead and go into the booth and spray this. I will throw up a little clip of what these look like. These bumpers were trashed. So we stripped them, especially the metal part of the bumper. We stripped it all the way back down to bare metal. I got some pictures. I'll throw those up here in just a minute. But anyways, I got the color made. We're gonna go shoot this thing. I am still using the SATA 5500, and man, I am loving this gun. It works real well. I do still have this one here, the DeVilvis, and here. So I still got those. The Iwata's my sealer primer gun. This one's for Lumalore. This one I'm using here for base clear. I am going to try and get myself a Supernova, Iwata Supernova for my base gun, or for my clear gun, excuse me, and go from there. So let's hop into the booth and get this. All right, y'all, got the gun, got my mask. I'm in here. I got everything blown down pretty well. I'm gonna give it a quick blow with the gun before I shoot anything, and then let's get to shooting. Yeah. I hope I can keep most of this dirt out of everything. You know, actually I might go and tape all this stuff up. Alright, so I taped those up. Let's get to spraying. Alright, y'all, so these are those bumpers. I got them all prepped. I'm shaking up my color now. I just need a little bit because I'm doing blends. So as you can see, I got these taped up all funky. It's just because I'm going to blend the color into them. So I'll kind of show you guys what I mean here, and let's get started. So I've got them all wiped down. I blew them all down, and we should be good to shoot. As y'all can see, I just blended my color into it. So, worked out good there. Blended that one as well. So, got the blends done. Now I'm gonna let these tack, and then I'm gonna clear the parts in there and these parts out here. So, let's get into clearing. Alright, y'all, just making up some clear coat here. I am going to clear coat the parts, the bumper, and the fender, and then I will go in the booth and clear coat all those parts. And then I also have some cards that I'm going to clear. I used some tropical glitz. I put a little bit of this blue in that blue that I had shot on that fender and bumper, and then I took some green and put it in the green that I shot on that Chevy parts, and I put them on a card. So I am going to clear those as well with all of this and some other cards that I had, just to kind of make them pop a little better, I guess it would be. So let's go ahead and go clear this. Alright y'all, we're in the booth. I'm gonna go ahead and start clearing this stuff. I'm gonna start down on that end, work my way this way. Alright y'all, they're covered. That's my first pass. I will be doing a second. So, and then these are the cards that I have that I'm going to be clearing. So, let's go make some more clear coat, let it flash in here, and put on a second coat. Alright, it cleared out pretty good in here. I got my second cup. Let's put a second coat on. There it is with the second coat on. Looks good. Real happy with how these came out. Awesome, now I'm going to make up a little clear. Shoot these cards that I got. These ones here. Call it a night. Alright y'all, so I got some clear coat made. I'm gonna shoot up these cards, see what they turn out like. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Just a quick little episode of what I do on a kind of daily, nightly basis when I come down here by myself. It is just me down here. It's probably about 1 o'clock now, 12:30, 1 o'clock, and I'm just trying to knock some things out. I've got the time to. Kind of the joys of running your own business, you know, you kind of pick and choose your hours. And I mean, I work 6 to 7 days a week, all day, every day basically, but you know, it's fun. I get to do little projects like this, and when I work on customer stuff, I'll find a color that I like and I'll be like, oh man, I can do something with that color. So I'll end up doing what I just did tonight, make out a test panel, and some of those I already had made, and I just needed to add a little more clear coat to bury the flakes in them. But man, I use Tropical Glitz. I love them. They are awesome. Shout out to them. They make everything so great. So shout out to Matrix. My bank's with them. I love it. I've got all my pearls. Yeah. And all my paint. So I'm gonna clean this gun up. I do that here. This is kind of my homemade remedy. Y'all can kind of hang out maybe with me and kind of see how I do this if you want. But let's see. too much of a pain, but I just run a little lacquer through it, use a brush, clean it up, and call it a day. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if there's anything y'all want to see. I can definitely just make up a video of something that you guys want to see. Different types of paint, different colors, line work, different fades, blends. There's all sorts of stuff. We can play with flop adjusters. We can play with flattening additives. So just kind of let me know what you guys want to see and I will make it happen. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all on the next episode.